We landed at the whole walk is uphill, as Hong Kong is has a lot of hills. So if you cannot walk for long, it's better you take a direct cab. Else, be prepared that you will have to do a lot of uphill and downhill throughout. You can see how steep the hill is here, and the line is so long just to get a basic entry within the Peak Tram. This is a beautiful peak tram which takes us up a hill. We sat in front to show you the overall course. This was the real fun part. It really tracks us straight up the mountain. You can see how beautiful the scene or the view is, right? Yeah, I told you there is a bakehouse at top of the Peak Tram's exit gate on top of the mountain. So you can see here we had breakfast here. We took a corner seat and it was a lovely experience having breakfast at the top.
दिख ही नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है।
It's a heavy wind and a gusty wind. There was a cyclone that hit just before we arrived Hong Kong, and there was a cyclone warning post our exit. So we were just in middle of a cyclonic waves that just hit the overall island. It was a very strong wind. So I would definitely recommend you to wear something uptight so that you can feel at ease while you are touring the whole city. We went to Hong Kong Island Posted, which is very near to the Peak Trams area. We just wanted to enjoy the original trams that used to run, and it only runs in the Hong Kong Island area. We took a tram to go to the Times Square and visit the largest escalator as well as visit the Monster Building. So we kind of toured the island through the trams and enjoyed the overall rush. This is more of a commercial place which has a lot of offices and a lot of MNCs headquarters positioned as well.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me.
This is on way to the largest escalator. We do not take the escalator per se because we would have to come down as well, and it's only one way at once, right? So every 6 hours, they change the direction of the escalator. So we kind of came down as we did not want to walk a lot. The fun thing about these trams are it's called as ding ding because of the sound of the bell that they make, right? So whenever you need to stop the tram, you need to pull a bell and it makes a sound of ding ding. And that is how the locals have named it as a ding ding train.
The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of
There's a Times Square building that we came down. It's a mall and then a commercial at the top. We did not enter the mall, but we just wanted to have a look around. It's a people come here for a photo. It's similar to a New York's Times Square in a similar concept.
Through the stillness, the clouds drift high. Thoughts like breezes
The old and the real home.
whisper by. Endless waves of a calm blue sky, where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space.
We are searching for the monster building. It's right across these commercials. We went the wrong way, but yeah, now we found the right way to get in. This is in the
Binds the soul
Transformers movie,
to
and you can see
history.
it how the flats are stacked right one above the other, and how all the flats are so close to each other.
Like a river rolling in silence, safe.
जाओ
The harmony of your
एक मिनट फॉर्मर्स में
the star.
एक मिनट में